Next is contestant number 5.
Here comes a stunning tribute to our indigenous heritage, skillfully crafted from recycled materials and natural resources. This ensemble blends tradition with creativity, showcasing a modern appreciation for indigenous artistry. The West, made from pine needles, soft material, and recycled CDs, balances rugged elegance with sustainable craftsmanship, while the CDs add a subtle chic. A regal headdress of pine cones, fern leaves, and wire symbolizes our connection to nature, and accessories like wristbands and anklets emphasize harmony with the environment. The bahag, made from sap, fern, and reused cloth, honors traditional attire with a contemporary twist, while the prop, a crafted axe from broom, leaves, carton, and plastic, represents strength and resilience. This look is a powerful statement of respect for our roots and a celebration of sustainability.
Once again, contestant number 1.